Hello and welcome to Rapid Holding Systems. Let's check out our Rapid Holding Systems stationary version of measuring probe. This one is RHS-S4560, and this particular one is having the tip size of 4 millimeter. We are in standard, we are having the probes that are having the tip sizes starting from 3 millimeters up to 8 millimeters. So Rapid Holding System designed this fixed type of probes with the measuring head for machines with the measurement cycle functions. So these probes, they come pre-mounted on the precision 54 millimeter pallets and delivers with the one piece of automatic drawbar, nice probes, and the material of body and pallet is stainless steel and the tip material is tungsten. So we are having another version that is spring loaded. You see on another side, this one. So these kind of probes, they are having the tips that are spring loaded and measures the workpieces in all the 3 axes, X, Y, and Z. And again, the material of body and pallet are stainless steel, and the material of tip is tungsten. And we are having the variable versions of tip sizes, and starting from 2 millimeters up to 8 millimeters, and also the replacement tips can be ordered separately for these ones. Very nice and easy to use. These type of probes can be mounted directly on the macro chucks for generating the high accuracy center. So all of these probes, they are available on our website www.rapidholdingsystems.com. Check out today, and if you have any question, you're welcome to inquire us. If you like this video, like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Rapid Holding Systems YouTube channel, and we will keep you posted when we are updating the more details about these probes. Thanks for watching today.